Welcome back, babies. It's your girl, Mama B, coming with a special video clip. Now, today, Mama B is making cough syrup, babies, because these babies and people are getting sick. So you want to get a jump start on this, okay? The weather's changing. Now, as you can see before me, I have red onions and honey in the raw. Now, the organic honey is the best to use. It's a natural anti-inflammatory substance, babies. You know, onions contain allicin, which is a very powerful and natural antibiotic. It's also effective against throat and lung infections. So, you want to make this stuff at the first sign of a cold or the flu, or annoying cough that you can't get rid of. You want to pour this organic honey in the raw over these onions, babies, and let it set up for at least 12 hours. Give your babies a teaspoon of this stuff, and you take a tablespoon. And it works, because that's what I do, and you need to do it too.